Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if you're coming across an error when playing videos or music on your Windows 10 device, specifically the error code 0xC00D36C4. So this might be a media error that appears when you're trying to open up a video or audio file. And in order to resolve this issue, it should be a pretty straightforward process, guys, and we're going to go ahead and jump right into it. And we're going to start by opening up the Start menu, type in Media Player. Best result should come back with Windows Media Player. Go ahead and left click on that. So I have to go configure my settings because I haven't signed into this yet, but it shouldn't take us very long, as you can see. And you want to go select the Organize tab up at the top left, and then select Options. Select the Rip Music tab. So if you do rip music on your Windows Media Player, there will be an additional option underneath here that says Copy Protect Music. You want to just uncheck that option, and then you would select Apply and OK to save that change. So again, pretty straightforward process, guys, and that should be able to resolve the issue at that point because it's coming up with some permissions errors you're experiencing on your Windows computer. So pretty straightforward process, guys. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.